What's up YouTube, John here, hello and welcome back. Are you still looking for a way to stay active from home? Well, if you haven't already, go check out my other video where I recommend getting a heavy bag, but I have another option for you here today. I would like to talk about rings. So these are my homemade suspension rings, and they're actually a gift from a friend. He upgraded his own set, so I got his hand-me-downs. But they work great. I've had them for years, and pretty much what we got here is 2 feet of PVC pipe, and he baked it in the oven to soften them so that they can be bent into this rounded handle shape. And then we got an adjustable strap so that these things can be adjusted up and down depending on the height you want to work with them from. Ran it through the center, the 1-inch ID of this pipe here, and voila, cheap homemade rings. Most of the time, these are going to be made out of wood and in the shape of a circle, and the strap will actually feed straight through the center. So if you want to hang this from your ceiling, you're just going to take the other end of the strap, clip it onto an eye bolt, which is screwed into the ceiling. You could also just hang these from any pull-up bar or overhead beam that was sturdy enough to support your body weight. I've even gone outside and thrown them over a tree branch just to enjoy a change of scenery. So now I'm going to show you a few of the ways that I like to use these, so take a look. Go ahead and click the link down in the caption below, and also in the comments section tell me what kind of exercises do you guys like to do with rings that I maybe didn't cover. And with that, leave any other thoughts you have down below. Please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time right here at the gym.